Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hi, in this video we are going to learn a basic things about registry, and in this one we are going to find any application path. So let's say I do have notepad.exe and I want to find the path of that exe, or let's say I do have Visual Studio and I want to find that path. So for that, you need to watch this video. So basically we need WSH cell library. So this is a blank new workbook and it doesn't have anything yet, so we will start from scratch and let me insert a module. And in this one I'm going to find any application path. Okay, so constant app name actually as a string, so that is, let's say, notepad.exe. Okay, find path, and basically it will take, it doesn't take anything now. Now I do have another function, public function find app path, app name as a string, and it will return the path, so it will be a string as well. Now in this one, what we need to do, we need to create an object of WSH cell, and for that you need to go into this. I'm using rubber duck. If you're using rubber duck, then you can go into this tools and add and remove reference. Now you need to go into this tools reference and you need to find WSH or WSH Windows script host object model, this one, and check this one if you want to get IntelliSense. So like dim finder, finder as WSH cell, set finder, name WSH cell. Now you can see the finder dot read, so it's saying that we can read the registry, okay, in this one, and we need to pass the name. For that one we need to find the registry, so like you can type registry editor, open this registry editor. Now what you need to do, you need to go into this path, okay, this HK local. So let me show you from beginning. So let's say it's everything, it's like this, okay. So HK local machine, so I expand this one, and then you need to expand this Microsoft, and then Windows, this Windows, and then find this app path. So you need to search in this registry. So let's copy this one and create a, so you can just create a constant like this reg location, and that is this one. Now this finder dot res edit, I can just pass this res location and I can just specify the app name, and then I can specify this slash. Okay. So it will read the path of that application. So basically let me show you in this res edit. This is like notepad plus plus, so you can see this T4, so that is the path of this notepad plus plus. Or if you say skype.exe, so that is the path, the default one is the path of that is skype, okay, .exe. Now let me show you in action. So find application, find app path, that is app underscore name. Now if I run this one, find after, so debug.print. So if I run this now, so res location is this, current version, app path, app name is notepad.exe. So I think we don't have a notepad. Let's see. No, we don't have notepad. We have notepad plus plus. So let me pick this one. Let's run this, and we do have this path. We can also pass, let's say, auto hotkey .exe find path. So this is for auto hotkeys, and you can see that this file is installed in this particular folder in this particular location. You can specify any other app name, like let's say A's. Let's see if we have A's or not. There's no A's, web.exe, and so on. So you can just specify those and then get rid of those folder path. Now, why this is necessary? I mean, what's the use of this one? So this is the use case that if you want to export your code, like if you want to send this code to someone else, then you cannot specify that, okay, it's under C and then user and then let's say a specific username and then program file and so on. So you need to be dynamically retrieve the file path where it installed. That's why registry editor is useful and this find path is useful. And also this is the beginning video of what auto hotkey. So this one will be useful for our auto hotkeys. So this is the beginning video. And let me show you what you can create using auto hotkey. So let's say if I type TS and then if I press space, you can see it's typing all of these private subtest and then end sub. Or let's say if I type dp, so it's saying that debug.print, right? So this kind of things you can do using auto hotkeys. There are some more cool stuff using auto hotkey. So this is the beginning video of our auto hotkey playlist. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to comment. Have a good day.